And they're all in the gate. And they're off. And on the far outside, Callisto's Classic off to an alert beginning. She Storms is hustled out of there. And toward the inside, Silkstream is going to be forwardly placed today. And these three go right across the racetrack down the backstretch run. And Silkstream has come on through to grab the lead. It's Silkstream in front. She Storms right there running in second. Callisto's Classic also on the pace. 3 wide at the outside, third by 3. Lovely Venus settles into fourth. Juki Gal is fifth. Sunbrook now sixth. Lucky Maria is back in seventh by 5. And Stacy Lee is outrun early. On the far turn, the quarters on the board in 22 and 4/5 seconds. And the pace setter is Silkstream, leads by 1 length at the midway point of the far turn. Callisto's Classic on the outside of She Storms. They're second and third. And from the back of the pack, Sunbrook is honing in, taking over fourth between horses. Lovely Venus cuts the corner nicely down on the inside. Meanwhile, Juki Gal goes wide down to the 8th pole. Silkstream still clear by 3 and now by 4. Silkstream sailing through the stretch over Sunbrook, who takes over second. Callisto's Classic late on the scene is Stacy Lee with Lovely Venus, but on the wire, Silkstream sharp today. The final margin 3.5 lengths. Sunbrook good effort second. Stacy Lee rallies for third. Lovely Venus and Juki Gal.